Welcome back, guys. Okay, I'm welcoming you to the full stack real estate hub web application. Okay, so this is the web application which is made up of React, Spring Boot, micro interaction, which is made up of our framer motion, and you can see the card based design is very good. And if you come to the database we are using for this purpose is our MySQL database. We have integrated the map. Okay, so we can integrate the Google map in it. Okay, guys, so you can see the map is integrated very nicely here. And let us come to the another feature, that is the AI chatbot recommendation bot. Okay, recommendation bot. It can recommend us the new things on the basis of the our budget or whatever property we want to find out. Okay, we are having one more chatbot. Okay, guys, for the queries. Okay, ask me to list approved property, show property by ID and all. These can be used by the admins for the convenience, guys. Means they can pass the ID and we can get that property very fast. So you can see by clicking over it we can see the more details about this particular property, and we can find out the location of that property. We can call the agent, email agent. We can actually do the inquiry as well. Okay, we can get the details. We can also edit the details about this property, guys, and we can change the location of it as well. Okay, and we can claim the ownership of this property. We can also update the profile of the agent. Okay, so now let's go step by step and see this web application. Okay, let's go to logout. Okay, guys, so now we are log out. Now what I will do, I will log in as a client, guys. Client means customer. So let's go. We can also create a new account here, but we are already having the account, so let's log in as a client. Okay, client, we have logged in as a client, and as a client you can see that whole thing is changed. You can see find your dream home, discover the perfect property that matches your lifestyle and budget. Okay, guys, and we can also like filter out the properties like on the basis of these parameters, like for sale, for rent, sold, or rented, and we can search that property. And we can also search by city, address, or property name. Okay, 10,000 property listed, 50 plus city, and 98 percent customer satisfaction. This is the characteristics of our web application, and you can see these are some of the highlighted and featured property. Discover our hand-picked selection of premium properties on the basis of their performance. We will get all the properties here, and this is for sale, this is for sale, this is for rent, and this is for sale, this is for sale. And we can also favorite our property. As a client we can unfavorite our property as well. Okay, and if you go here over here, um let me show you. Okay, my dashboard and view favorites, and you can see. And the most important thing, it is not hard coded. Okay, guys, if you remove it, then it will not in favorite tab. Okay, so we can delete it from the favorite as well. Okay, it is removed very easily, and it is all the database. Okay, whatever we will add in this section will be updated in the database, guys. So this is the thing. Then when if you go to the open map, then the map will be opened. Here we go. It is the list of the all the properties, and we can add favorites as well, and we can see the favorite will be added. Okay, let me show you. And you can see all the favorites are added into our database. Okay, and now let me show you opening the map section. So toggle button we have for this all the things, and you can see it is hover effect, guys. It is a CSS hover effect. Okay, let's click on it, and when we click on it we can see all the properties. Okay, all the properties in our web application. So let me show you. Okay, let's go, guys. Okay, look at this. These are all our properties listed, and these are mostly present in mostly present in America, okay, and India. We are having one property, and it is in Pune. Okay, we are having two properties, I guess, in India, but he's showing one. Okay, I think we are having only one property. That's not a problem. We can add new property into it. Okay, let me ask a chatbot. How ma how many properties we have? Okay, and okay, guys, we are currently having 11 properties in your in our database. Okay, so that is also we can also click over here. How many properties we are having? Okay, guys, let's go. It has just from our voice. Um, it has made a query to the chatbot. Let's ask again. Okay, guys, it is saying like we are having 11 properties, and I hope so. It is correct. And let me see. Are we having 11 properties or what? Okay, guys, let's go. We are having 11 properties here. That's correct. And we can okay, let's filter out on the basis of these parameters. So let's for rent we are not having anything. Let's go apartment. We are having this many apartments. New York City, we are having this property in New York City, and this kind of a thing. Okay, guys. Now let me show you. Okay, we can filter out on the basis of this as well. Okay, look at this and minimum price. Okay, so for example we are having minimum price of okay 1500 and maximum 3000. Okay, so let's go. We are having this properties in our budget. Okay, so we are having these properties in our budgets. Okay, and these are the we can actually filter out, and also on the basis of our budget we can get our properties filter out. Okay, so you can see all of this property listed, and we can okay we will remove it for a second to show you something. And we have removed it. Refresh the page, and let me click on this property. Okay, green. And I was showing you that we can do a lot of things with this property. Right here we can actually see the map location of this, and we can contact agent, and we can do the inquiry. Okay, so it is around 2000 rupees rent, I guess. So let's offer 1950 price. And 1950 price, what we will do here, I want this property on urgent basis. Okay, so what will happen here, I want to do inquiry. Okay, and I'm offering a lot good price. And okay, inquiry is successful, guys. And after inquiry is successful, we can let's go back, and I want to show this property as well. Okay, the problem is the inquiry is not successful because of the I'm having already a inquiry for it, but we can do for this property. Okay, we can do inquiry for this particular property, and I want this property on the urgent basis, guys. So I want to do this property, and you can see inquiry was successfully. Okay, so this time it is done, and you can see, guys, this is the inquiry window, and this is inquiry number 4, and it is active, guys. And I have offered 1500 one like price. And the agent user, we can see its email ID, and this is the chat window, and this is a real time chat window. We can use the timeline and all that date and the time when this chat window was created, and how is it going on, all the details we can see here. And it is implemented using WebSocket, guys. WebSocket is the technology for real time chat. Okay, for real time chat application, I have integrated this for the communication between the client and customer. So now let me show you, these are the my property inquiries, and you can see the other property which we were doing, trying to do the inquiry previously. It is listed down here, and it is our active inquiry. It is a previous inquiry, inquiry number 2, and you can see it was successful. And I have purchased this property, okay, at that time. But in this okay and in my bookings there are no bookings right now. And okay, now I want to show you. I can add the money from the my wallet. Okay, I have implemented the payment gateway using razor pay. So I'm adding this much amount, and let's click on add. So now it will open. Okay, you can see that our payment gateway is opened. And we can add the UPI ID, and after adding UPI ID we will be successfully credited with the amount whatever we want. Okay, let me show you. And confirming payment, and payment successful, guys. After the payment successful, we can now see that our account is updated successfully, guys, with the particular amount. Now I want to show you that in the uh, search we can see that these are all the options available for the client. And we will log out as a client, and let me show you something like property assistant, guys. So this is very interesting, and we will maximize it. We can have the settings regarding it as well, like clear the chat and all. But let's maximize it. And now what I'm going to show here is simply that we can record our voice, and it will be like speech to text, and our voice will be converted into text to pass it as a query inside of this chatbot. And okay, it's not an issue. But I will show you, like I'm passing a query like my budget is 1500, guys. But what is the problem here? We don't have any property which is of any like of having equivalent budget of 1500. So it is showing like I couldn't find any properties for this budget. Okay, and here we go, guys. We don't have actually any property. So that is the very powerful thing. Like property assistant can give the assistant to our clients, like whatever their budget range, whatever the city and all that stuff. Okay, so now I will ask it one more question, like my budget is 3000. Okay, now it has listed, guys, three properties which is satisfying this budget. Okay, so these are three properties, and we can click any one of them, and we are redirected to property page. Okay, so this is the property which we were navigating to. And now let's log out and log in as a owner. Okay, let's log in. Let's try to log in as a admin, guys. Okay, let's try to log in as an admin, and we are logged in. And let's click on the node. I want to show you there are a lot of stuff. Okay, let me show you on. Let's go property inquiries. Admin can see all the inquiries regarding property, whatever happening in this web application. It will all be gonna listed down here. Okay, so these are the active inquiries, and these are the purchased, which was the last purchase, and which is the green property. Okay, so it is purchased. Okay, and you can see cancelled properly, uh, and all of the agreed and negotiating, all of these phases, whatever it will be there, whatever happening in this web application will be shown to the admin. Okay, guys, and you can see this inquiry number 1 for this property, and it we can see that it was uh like successful. Okay, property inquiries, we will able to see all of them here. Now let's log in as a owner, guys, and we are logging as a owner. We can see all the properties right now here. Okay, and we can add our properties into it. Okay, so let's add some of the demo.
properties, and I'm having some of the demo credentials or fillers listed down here. So let's add this as our addition in the property. Okay, so we will um, we will actually add the name of the property, which is here, and it is historic townhouse, and we will add the description about it. So we have added it. Then we are having the price of it, and this is we have added it, and it is a townhouse, I guess. Yeah, it is a townhouse. We will select it. It is for the sale, and it is okay. Then we are having other things. Let's add some of the bedrooms. um, I think we should add 5 bedrooms, and we will add the bathrooms as two. And for the purpose of the square feet, I will add like it is a 6,000 square feet. Okay, so it is a townhouse of 6,000 square feet, and we will need to add the location as well. Okay, guys. But before that, we will add the image URL for this property, and it is a dummy purpose URL, and it will work, I guess. Let's see it will work or not, but I think it should work. And we will add the locations and all. But I want to show you that we can choose the location using the map, guys. So let's click on it, and it will be opening us. Okay, guys, the map options are open, and you can able to choose the location, whatever location you want in this world map. Okay, guys. So I want to choose a location inside of the America, or I will choose one of the location in India. Let's see. I think India will be good, and let's go. We will add the location in India. We should add. We can add anywhere. Like we will add Indore. Okay, guys. So we will gonna choose the location in Indore, guys, and where we will add the location, or otherwise we can change the location as well. Okay, so whatever location, we will have to just double click on that particular location and Indore. This is the Indore location, guys. Or we may choose American location. So I'm choosing United States location. Okay, guys. So this is also okay, and we just have to double click, and it will mark that particular location for as prescribed location, and we will like choose that particular location. Okay, guys. So this is the thing. So let's come out of this map window, and we will have to add some of the like dummy address and all. Let's add that, and we will have also one button for current location, guys. Means it will uh, add our location on the basis of our current location, guys. So let's add the dummy address first. I will show you afterwards what is that current location. But let's add that city address, and Boston is a city, state is MA, and let's go, guys. The property is added successfully, and that is very good. Okay, historic townhouse. I think some of the problem with the image, but it will work. I think I will need to remove that bracket maybe, and it should work. And it is working, I guess. Yeah, it is working, and we got it. Okay, we found our image, and this is a historic townhouse which is present over here, and it is a newly added property in our application. And what will happen here is simply that, as a client, I want to show you something. Okay, okay, we just added the property. Okay, historic townhouse, but it is not at all present over here, guys. Why? Means, is it a problem with our application or what? There is no problem, guys. I will show you what is the reason behind it. Why the newly added property is not present here. Okay, so this is property. It is a charming townhouse, which is it is not our property. Okay, it is a, but we can't do inquiry for it as well because it is a like data initialized property, not added by any of the owner. Okay, owner account. So we cannot do the what do you call, what do you say, inquiry for it. Okay, why? Because it is not listed by any of the person. Okay, it is just a uh, like demo purpose property. Okay, so this is the issue. Okay, now I will show you. I have logged in as a admin, guys. Okay, and let me show you one thing. And after logging as the admin, I will show you after going inside. Okay, I will log. Okay, after log out, I will show you as a client, and we are not having any of the property out here. Okay, but admin, as an admin, we will have one chance to approve that property. Only after approving that particular property it will be shown to the clients. Okay, so this is the very good business logic here. Okay, let's go and let's see approved. Okay, so approvals, and let's click on it and let's go, guys. We can see this way. Okay, all the listings of the properties which are waiting for the approvals. After getting approvals from the admin, then and then only they can be visible to the clients. So you can see all of the rejected properties. I haven't rejected any one of them. All the approved properties, guys, all of these properties are approved by the admin. That's why they are visible to the client, guys. And we will, okay, pending, we are having this four properties. Let's approve them one by one. Approve it, approve it, approve it. Okay, all the properties are approved. Now let's log out as a admin and let's log in as a client. Okay, and let's go, guys. You'll see the magic. And here we go, guys. Wait a second. Here we go, guys. All the properties are listed down here now. Each and every property is listed down here because it is approved by the admin, guys. We can remove it from the favorites as well. Okay, that's not an issue. And we can see now what we can do here. We can inquiry about it. Okay, as a client, we can inquiry about it. Okay, guys, and you can see we are having this particular property at this particular location, and that is a very good thing. And now, okay, so now it is approved. Then now it is available for purchasing, negotiating, agreeing, whatever we want to do with that property as a client, we can do it. Okay, and that is a very good thing. Now what I will do here, I will offer a price of 2,50,000. Okay, and I will say, and this is, here we go, inquiry done. Okay, guys, new inquiry is created, and this inquiry is of number 5. Okay, and you can see my message as well. I would like to offer 2 lakh for this property, and I'm ready for negotiation, all of this. And you can see the buyer means we are the buyers, and the property owner, all the email and all, we can see, and the timeline, day and date and time, all of these things. And I can okay, I have raised the inquiry. Okay, and now I will log in as a owner, guys, the owner. And you can see, guys, the real-time notification in the owner dashboard is there. Okay, and I will click over it, and you can see the, okay, new inquiry, okay, about the property. The messages popped up, and all the old messages are also there. So this is the notification functionality. And let's go inside of the inquiry, and this is inquiry for this particular property, and there is a message from the client. Okay, we can see it. And okay, let's do the counter offer, and that will be like I will ready for this property to give it for 2,50,000, and this is the final offer. Okay, so this is my counter offer, and we will get this counter offer inside of the my inquiries inside of the customer. And let's log out and log in as a customer, and you will see that updated inquiry like chat. Let's go and see. It is in a negotiating phase, and that is absolutely right. We are negotiating with the owner, okay, and owner is negotiating with us as well. So okay, we got the message like counter offer 2,50,000, and this is the final offer and all of that. Now I will say that okay, I'm ready to buy it for 2,50,000. So let me counter offer it 2,50,000. Okay, and I will say that okay, okay. I will say okay. I'm ready to do the business and like a transaction for this particular amount. And let's go, guys. So we have sent them a chat. Now let's go as a owner, and let's see is it what options we are getting. So we will get two options, guys. Let's go into the negotiation and accept or reject. So we will accept this amount because he is ready for whatever amount we are offering them, and that is the final offer as well. So let's click on the accept offer, and it will be accepted, and from negotiation it will go to the purchased. Okay, guys, let's go. Agreed. And now it is an agreed phase. It will not purchase. Now on the agree phase, we will we will be confirming, okay, it, and the owner can confirm it. And after clicking on the confirm, the purchase is completed, guys. Okay, now from the agreed phase, we are into purchase phase, and it is entire transaction is done, okay, in these phases. Okay, so that's a pretty good functionality over here, and this is a business logic, guys. And you can see the purchased phase. Okay, done. Everything is done. The transaction is done, and all the things are done. Okay, so this is a very good functionality in my property inquiries. Now I will go to my wallet, and you can see all of this money added by me, and I will able to send that money to. Okay, and then let's log out and let's log in as an admin guide and what functionality we were getting and any information about this particular transaction if I able to get. Let's see it down here. Let's click on. Uh, okay, we can as a okay we are in a owner tab. Okay, right now, and we can see we can able to add the property, and we can choose this button to use our current location, guys. After choosing our current location, it will be updated down here, and it will be easy and handy for us to choose the precise location of our property. Okay, so we can use that, and we can browse all of our property, and even the owner can favorite their properties. We can have the option of map, and in the map option we are able to do all of these things as well. Okay, so this is pretty good. And let's log out, or we can see the notification, okay, about the inquiries and all, and the WebSocket chat as well. And let's log out and just log in as a admin, guys. And this is the admin panel. Look at how beautiful it is. And we are having the specialized chatbot for the admin analytics, guys. So for the client, we were having a specially designed chatbot. For the admin, we are having the same. Okay, it is a particular design for the admin. Okay, so this is very good about it. We will need the API key for that particular purpose, and we can ask the AI assistant as well. Okay, that's great. Now what we will do here is simply we can see all of our properties in our web application which are approved by the admin, and we can see all of our users. So these are the 8 users, I guess. Yeah, these are the 8 users ranging from admin, agent, client. Okay, So these are the three role-based access controls we are having in this web application, and all of them are here. An admin can edit their credentials, guys. Admin are controlling all of them at here. Okay, so admin can delete them, activate them, deactivate them, all of this. Let's okay, we are trying to deactivate, okay, that agent. Okay, these are the other agent, and it is in inactive phase, okay, right now, because we and now let's particularly activate them as well. But look at the power of admin, guys. They can yeah, deactivate some of the other entities in this web application. Okay, let's activate them and let's go, guys. They are active again. Okay, back to normal. And this is the thing. Okay, now we'll show you the analytics tab and look at, guys, the real-time analytics you will able to see here now. So let's go, and here we go, and we can see the real-time analytics. Okay, so this is very good analytics, and how beautiful charts and the graphs are there, and also the history, and all of that things, top performing agents and all. We were able to see recent activity history. We can also map and target in this, and look at this pie chart, how beautiful design it is. And it is like having a lot of micro interactions as well, guys. Okay, so this is also a good way. And you can see the top cities. So right now Pune is a city which is having most number of properties, okay, followed by other cities and all, okay, and locations. And we can see these are all the real time analytics on the basis of the database. Okay, right now we are having 15 properties. Let's see it is okay or not. Okay, let's go, and we are having 15 properties. It is absolutely correct. So analytics tab is mapping all of the data absolutely right, and we can see the inquiry funnel and all, and it is showing that to purchase, to agreed and all. If we are having any inquiry in other phase as well, it will be showing down here. And we can export the PDF, guys, and we can see that the PDF, guys, all of the metadata about the analytics, we are having it here. Okay, so this is very powerful feature in the analytics tab. So that's a very cool thing. Okay, guys, so this is a analytics tab which is used by the admin, and it is specially designed for the admin, one and only admin, guys. And we can see the inquiries, and we can see the date, and how many inquiries are raised in this particular date. Okay, so this is also a very advanced feature. Now let's go to the property approvals, and all of the approvals I have shown you already at the time of like adding the properties in our databases. Okay, guys, so this is also very nice thing to like add here as well. Okay, so that's a great thing. Only admin is having the right to approve the properties, and admin can add the locations as well, guys. And because of this adding locations, the properties will be given some priority and all, uh, if they are uh, present in this particular location, guys. So this is also a very good thing. So admin is able to do all of the stuff as well. Okay, guys, now we will see the admin property inquiries. And yeah, if someone is having property inquiries, and you can see admin privilege is required, because admin can't see the whatever negotiation agree, all of these phases which are private between the owner and the client. So admin has no right to see those changes. Okay, but after done the inquiries, we can see in the admin it is publicly available and purchased. You can see the last property which is done, and you can see all the chat and all. Admin can see. Okay, guys, and you can see all of these phases like active, negotiating, agreed, purchased and cancelled. All of these phases of the negotiation and purchasing of that particular property we're going through, we can see inside of this admin panel, guys. So let's log out as an admin, but admin is having all of this property, guys, and these are the particular property. Now I will log in as a, you can see we can log in using the OTP as well. Okay, guys, so we can use the OTP to do login, and we will log in as using the OTP as well. So this kind of a functionality is also present in this web application, so that is also nice. We can also add our account. We are having the option of AI assistant, which is very good handy, and it is mapped with the database, so whatever changes will happen inside of the database, which will be reflected into front end as well as for this chatbot as well. Okay, guys, so this is also nice. And this the entire source code of this web application you will get in the inside of the description. Even the pinned comment is having the link of this the source code of this web application, and it is very useful. You can add this web application in your resume. You can add this web application as your final year major project, software project. Okay, guys, it is very advanced project, and it is having a lot of third party integrations and a beautiful UI. Okay, it is powerful UI and also AI. Okay, so AI is integrated in it in multiple ways. Okay, guys, also Google Map integration, Razor Pay integration, file input output analytics, all of these things are integrated